Classroom Practice 1.3. In this classroom practice, you're subtracting numbers. There's no such thing as subtraction. You're really doing addition of negative numbers. So for example, number 1, you have 15 minus 6. Well, 15 minus 6, that's the same as 15 plus negative 6. So that's equal to plus 9. Number 3, you have minus 9 minus 16. So minus 9 minus 16. Well, that's equal to minus 9 plus negative 16. So that's equal to negative 25. Now, number 4 is very interesting because what happens with number 4? Number 4 is 26 minus 4. Well, really, what this means is this is equal to 26, and a minus in front of another minus sign means it's really a plus sign. Technically, what this means is this is the same as plus minus 1 multiplied by minus 4. So this is just a little sidebar that I have to talk about here, because when you have two negative numbers multiplied together, then that means you end up with a positive number. So this is going to end up being 26 plus negative 1 times negative 4 is plus 4. So that becomes 26 plus 4, which is 30. Same kind of thing happens over here. If you have number 5 minus 9 minus 5, that's the same as minus 9 plus 5, which is equal to minus 4. Here, I'm going to do a tricky one. I'm going to do number 9. Number 9 is minus 16 minus 9. Well, this is going to be the same as minus 16. And remember what I said, if you have a negative number in front of another negative number, where the negative is outside of the bracket like this, that's implying that this is the same as minus 1 times minus 9. Now, when you have two negatives in a situation like this, that means that you are multiplying minus 1 times minus 9, and the two negatives multiply together to make a positive number. So that becomes minus 16 plus 9. That works out to be minus 15. My final example is going to be number 11. Number 11 is you've got minus 14 minus 5. Whoa, just a minute here. That's minus 14. Now you got the two negatives. A negative multiplied by a negative is a positive, so that's minus 14 plus 5, which is equal to minus 9. So the key thing to remember here is if you have a negative number multiplied by a negative number, it will always give you a positive number. And that's the takeaway in this lesson.